Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how you can fix the websites is not loading on your end browser. I will show you guys the three effective solution that will definitely fix your problem, and let's get started. First, go to the Windows search tab, hit the proxy settings and just simply open it. Here you just need to make sure that this setting is off and the manual proxy setup is off. Once you off it, then you can go to the Windows search and type here the ncpa.cpl and this setting will show on the top. Just simply open it. Here you just need to right click on your connection, go to the properties, and here in the properties you have to just scroll down and you will see the internet protocol version 6. So you just need to make sure that you uncheck this. This is very important. Then highlight the internet protocol version 4, go to the properties, click on the use the following DNS. In the preferred DNS type the 8888 and in the alternate type the 8844. This is the best Google DNS server. Then just simply click on the OK. Then just simply see your problem is fixed or not. If not, then you can go to the Windows tab at the CMD and run as admin. Here you can just simply type the command which is the ipconfig and space and forward slash and then flush DNS. So guys, once you type it, just hit the enter. Then I will recommend you to restart your PC. After the restart, your problem is fixed. So guys, these are the three solutions to fix this problem, and if your problem is fixed, please don't forget to like this video because this is only motivation for me, and I will see you guys in the next video.